In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set up BambooHR automated mails. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up BambooHR like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to the settings tab over here in the right hand corner. Then from here, it should be looking something like this. And down here, you need to scroll down until you see email alerts. When you click on this, you will see all the alerts that you have created previously. And if you don't already have one, you'll see something like this. Then from here, you need to go over to add alert. And here you can add either benefit eligibility, benefit vendor discrepancy, you can add celebrations, you can add a customs, employment, task, time offs, and training down here. So let's say I want a custom date here. Then from here, I can add in a name for this email alert. Then you can add who you want to send this alert to. You want to send it to full admin users, employees, managers, and others. And you can write down here in others who you want to send it to. Then from here, you can add when this alert should be sent. You can add if it should be sent in an event, either one of these. You can add a reminder of days or weeks, months, or years. And you can add before or after. You can also add another reminder down here if you want to do that. And you can delete that by clicking over here. You can add which specific time you want to send this alert to. So let's say I want to send it at 4 in the morning, America Denver time. Then from here you can add customization, which is optional for this alert. And here you can add an email subject, and you can add a custom message down here if you want to do that. Down here you can see what this alert will include, and you can click edit down here and see only some employees, or you can send it to all. Down here you can click save, and now congratulations, your alert has been created. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!